treated like family. Every staff member is a truck stuff pro. So many aftermarket accessories, sales, installation, and so much more. Transform your ride, it's all inside at truckstuffks.com.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. We got another vehicle spotlight today. We got a 2020 Ford F-150, and on this truck we did a 2.5 inch leveling kit, which, as the name applies, we brought up that front end 2.5 inches. The customer also added some new tires and wheels. So on the tires, we did the 35 by 12.5 inch Turo Trailblade XTs, which is going to be their hybrid tire. So you're still going to get the look of a mud terrain, but the quality of an all-terrain. So you'll still have your aggressive tread pattern and your sidewall. And then on the wheels, we did the black Rhino Calicos. It's a 20 by 9 with a 0 offset. So with that 0 offset, you're still going to get a little bit of a poke up front. So you're still going to get a little more of an aggressive stance compared to your factory wheel offset. And even with that leveling kit, we did have to trim to make the 35s fit. So we came back here, trimmed it, got some of that metal trimmed back. Same thing up front, trimmed some of the plastic to make it fit. Otherwise, you're still going to rub a little bit. If you need new tires, wheels, or suspension, come see us at Truck Stuff in Wichita, Kansas.